Looking for a door knob that combines security with style? The ANSI Grade-3 Security Passage Colonial knob offers just that. Whether you're remodeling or building new, this doorknob delivers reliable protection without compromising on aesthetics. Its rich black finish resists smudges and stands up to everyday wear, keeping your doors looking sharp. This lockset features a steel round corner adjustable latch and nickel-plated bolts, ensuring a snug fit on most doors. Meeting the strict ANSI Grade-3 standards, it guarantees solid residential security. You get hardware that's not only tough but also designed for smooth, dependable operation every time you close your door. The Copper Creek E-Series doorknobs stand out for their quality and value. Crafted with solid brass cylinders when keyed, they bring durability and precision to your home. Installation is straightforward thanks to screw alignment adapters and decorative rosettes that add a classic touch. These knobs fit most residential doors, making them an easy upgrade for any project. What really sets these knobs apart is their longevity. Backed by a limited lifetime mechanical warranty and a 10-year finish warranty, they're built to last. Customers have praised their all-metal construction, noting how they eliminate the frustrating looseness common with cheaper plastic knobs. The door shuts tight with no play, an unexpectedly satisfying upgrade. If you've ever struggled with flimsy door hardware, this knob will feel like a breath of fresh air. It's designed to withstand daily use while maintaining a smooth, effortless turn. Plus, the sleek black finish complements a wide range of home styles, from traditional to modern, making it a versatile choice for any room. Worth a look if you want a no-fuss, reliable doorknob that balances security and design. It's an affordable way to improve your home's functionality and curb appeal without sacrificing quality. Plus, the proven durability means fewer replacements and less hassle down the road. If that's you, upgrading to the ANSI Grade-3 Colonial Passage doorknob is a smart move. It's more than just a handle, it's peace of mind every time you close your door. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference that quality hardware can make.